Hello my dear students, welcome back to my channel. So we'll be going to solve this question written on the screen. If s is equal to 1 divided by 1 upon 1980 plus 1 upon 1981 goes on up to 1 upon 1997. What is the integer part of s they are asking? So guys, to solve such type of question, I would be going to consider denominator portion I'll be going to consider over here, and I will be going to bound it in between two quantities. So how could I bound it in between two quantities? What is the value of denominator over here? 1 upon 1980 plus 1 upon 1981 plus 1 upon 1982. Continuously it is keeping on increasing up to 1 upon 1997. So guys, how many times this fraction is written means how many times the fractions are written by me? 80, 81, 82. So I have started writing from 80 and I have written it till 97. Whenever we have such type of numbers continuously, and we have to count how many things are written over here. So final minus initial plus 1 should be done by you. 97 minus 80 plus 1. That means 17 plus 1, that is 18 things are written over here. Means 18 times 18 fractions are written over here. And that will be definitely lesser than. Why it would be lesser than? Because every time I would be keeping 1 upon 1980. For 18 times I will be writing. So how it will be lesser than? Let me tell you one thing. Guys, 1 upon 1980 will be definitely equal to 1 upon 1980. But once again I will be going to divide 1 upon 1980 over here. That means 1 upon 1981 will be definitely lesser than this 1 upon 1980. So how many times I will be going to write 1 upon 1980? For 18 times I will be writing this thing. For 18 times I will be writing this thing. And 1 upon 1982 will be smaller than 1 upon 1980. So since first thing over here is equal to first thing over here, and the second thing over here is smaller than the second thing over here, then the third thing over here is smaller than the third thing over here, and similarly the 18th thing over here is smaller than the 18th thing, that is 1 upon 1980 over here. So overall LHS quantity will be smaller than the RHS quantity over here. Okay, great, that we can understand, sir. So what else will be going to do after it? So guys, the RHS quantity can be written by me as 18 divided by 1980. That means 18 divided by 1980 is greater than 1 upon 1980 plus 1 upon 1981 plus 1 upon 1982 goes on up to 1 upon 1987. Hope you guys would have got my point. I guess it might be clear to you. This all things is smaller than 18 divided by 1980. 18 divided by 1980. Now guys, let's proceed further and see what can be done by me as the next thing over here. So I could write like 1 upon 1980 plus 1 upon 1981 plus 1 upon 1982 goes on up to 1 upon 1997 will be, guys, this time this will be greater. Why it will be greater? Because every time I will be going to take 1 upon 197 over here, 1197 over here, 1 upon 1997 over here. Okay, great. So can you see this thing over here will be greater than this thing over here? Guys, if we are dividing positive number by a smaller number, and next time when we are dividing positive number by a greater number, so whenever we are dividing it by a smaller number, that thing will be greater than when we are dividing it by a greater number. Hope you guys would have got my point. So similarly we will be going to write it for 18 times, 1 upon 1997 then plus 1 upon 1997. This thing will be written by me as, for 18 times it will be written by me. So again RHS thing will be becoming 1 upon 1980 plus 1 upon 1981 plus 1 upon 1982 goes on up to 1 upon 1997 will be greater than 18 divided by 1997. Hope you guys would have got my point. So guys, this is your inequation number 1 and this is your inequation number 2. Now how inequations would be varying? Okay, like guys, 1 upon this thing. This is what denominator we were talking about. Here also the same denominator we were talking about, and 1 upon this denominator is the s value we are knowing. Is the what? S value we are knowing. So what should be written by me? When I will be going to talk about s value, so I'll be going to reciprocate 18 upon 1980 and 18 upon 1997. So how it should be written by me? 1980 divided by 18. Okay, that will be, guys, inequality will be shifting. Before it was greater than, now it will be lesser than s, and now before it was greater than, now it will be lesser than. So you might be wondering, sir, how inequality will be shifting? Let me tell you, my dear students. If we are given with 2 is greater than 3, 2 is lesser than 3, then when I'll be going to rewrite it, I'll be writing it as 1 upon 2 is greater than 1 upon 3. So if we have positive numbers and inequality is given, then when we'll be going to take the reciprocal of that numbers, inequality will be shifting. So here also, guys, we have positive numbers and inequality is written like this. So when we'll be going to take reciprocal of that numbers, so inequality will be shifting. So 1980 is lesser than s, and which is in turn lesser than 1997 divided by 18. Now division all of us are very comfortable with, so this will be what? 110 less than s, less than 110 into 17 by 18. 110 into 17 by 18. Guys, they are asking the integer part of s. So integer part of s would be what? Since it is lying in between 110 and 110 into 17 by 18, so integer part of s will be becoming 110 over here. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Also put your valuable feedbacks in comment section. Thanks for your support.